pretty big. Yeah, I think, yeah. I think the 2 Dreamliners. Actually, no, I see 3 wide bodies over there. Yeah, 3 of them. I think 2 Dreamliners and a 777. Looks like a Star Alliance livery. Yeah, I think so. What's the logo in the front? Is that Air China? I think that's Air China. Yeah, it looks like Air China. Air China only has 1 Star Alliance 777. If it is, then I've actually had experience flying that one.
Ooh, I don't really dipped up.
Yeah.
See that cloud smoke that got kicked up?
I did.
Ooh.
Probably the construction. I think that it was supposed to be with. I wonder if they're going to be flying Canadian Air.
Air Canada flies with SFO.
No, I'm saying that to piss off Lance.
What?
I said I wonder if they're flying Air Canada today. I can't tell the difference.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a 777. Look how long those main gears are.
Yeah, the 7A has 2 wheels on the rear landing gear.
Yeah, they got 2 sets each. 777's the only one that has 3. Actually, no. A350 1000 has a 2.
Is that an A350?
No, that's a 777 200. It's got the Golden Globe livery as well. Oh yeah, yeah, pretty much a buttery landing. Bravo. It is. Yeah, 757, they no longer fly to San Diego. They stopped flying last week.
Oh yeah, so this is your few chances to see one, huh?
Yeah, because United is planning to retire all of them by the end of this year.
Probably around the same time when Balboa Park no longer has parking fees.
Exactly. And there's a wide body coming in too.
Balboa Park does have parking fees and stuff, just like that.
They made it. They just made it this year, and then they're taking away this year.
That engine
Bless you.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
When do they all start with the 777s?
Because it's Boeing. Boeing had this really clever idea of why they have their models named after a 7. It has something to do with the square root of a number.
767. I don't know.
There.
It looks like a 300 ER.
I have a lot of airplanes too.
I know, right?
We're doing a daily game and my positioning is not very good.
I wonder how rare are Dreamliners in United's fleet. I need to look at their stats again. Because I know most of the Dreamliners they operate are Dash 9s and Dash 10s nowadays.
Well, we've seen quite a few already.
Yeah.
This got like 7. Let's see, so where's this one flying from?
No one was flying from Washington, D.C.
Not bad. DC flight. Probably DC.
Yeah, something like that.
6 hours, but you what's the lose 3 because you fly.
I think so. Oh shoot, another Dreamliner.
Oh wait, no, my bad. This was what I was.
Dreamliner right there. Looks like a Dash 9. And there's a 777-200 coming in from Taipei.
My bad. This was one of the late yesterday.
There's so many planes just. Oh, here we go. That was a good capture. That looks like a. Those look like GE engines. That must be a Continental-owned airplane.
Is it?
I think so.
You check the tail.
Yeah. See if it's 5 digits instead of 3. I know those engines look quite big.
Oh yeah.
And a butterfly just photobombed my video. Cathay Pacific. Is that Dreamliner about to take off? Then we're gonna have a 2-for-1 again? Oh yeah. I'm gonna focus on Cathay Pacific for now. The Dreamliner will catch up. Oh yeah. Dreamliner's catching up. Oh my goodness, another 777? Yeah, it's another 777. Oh my gosh, 3 white bodies.
Well, it's international hour about.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright. Look at it rotate. That's why
Right there. That's a good shot right there.
that's behind the tower.
Right next to it.
Expensive for sure.
It would be expensive, and the time limit would it could debatable.
It would take an hour. So we'd probably have enough time to still visit
And it's in San Diego's too.
2 hours? Well, I guess
This is San Diego.
well, I guess there's but how much?
3 777s. That was pretty good landing. I think this one coming in from Paris. Is that another wide body?
I think so.
This may be a double 777 action. Because that one is ready to take off. Yep, I hear it.
Survey says.
Just got that Pacific there too. Oh, what a shot. What a shot. Just can't get enough planes at San Francisco. Now we have a 767. One last 777 before lunch break. Yeah. Maybe the 777's waiting for the
Yeah,
smaller planes to land first.
he's waiting for the regionals because they're. I think they're.
Nope, it's taking off now. That 777's like, get away from me, I'm leaving. Yeah, that is what it looks like. Oh, another 777 over there? Or is that Dreamliner?
Hey, record me.
I bet that it's an airplane.
Of course it is an airplane.
That's
Oh yeah,
I
that's
saw
Air,
it go white. I was like, uh oh.
yeah, that's Air Premium.
That's
That is Air Premium.
That's air what?
Air Premium.
What's that?
It's like it's like the more I'm not sure if it's budget, but it's South Korean.
It's definitely premium.
I think there's a joke to take one.
Japan Airlines is about to take off.
Looks like Japan Airlines is about to take off too.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Let's do those GA90s. because that plane is massive. Sky Team? Yeah, that's Delta. It's even got the big 787 logo on it too. I'm gonna focus on Anna first. ANA. Are we?
I'm saying it now.
Okay.
I just got a message that everything I was referencing a Jay Schlum video earlier. One of his viewers like sent him a video of everything.
Dang, Breeze, you're even supporting that 777 with a whale call, huh?
Like a LO thing, and then he's like, "Yeah, my dad works for Star."
That's the A320 Breeze doing a little whale call. That is beautiful. Yeah, that's literally the A320's reaction to Air France landing. Just a little whale call. Now that was a good capture. Something like that, yeah.
And the fact that I said
No, I'm focused on Air New Zealand.
the original joke was BBM and what American. Do you put a black? Remember the blackberries? That was a BBM. I've only seen them land here. I've never seen them take off.
Most private jets will take off. I've seen a couple take off here.
Which one?
It was 300, right?
You mean the speed?
Yeah.
300.
300, yeah. I remember I saw an interview with like a car manufacturer and they said we'd try for the 400, but there's a certain point where it just starts taking off into the air.
Oh yeah. Eva Air's already lining up too. Look at that.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful to watch.
This is quite a scene.
What airline is that?
Lufthansa. German. Guten Tag. Oh my gosh, Eva Air's already starting to move. Wow, look at that.
Careful!
Oh. 2 planes lining up. Oh, they're letting Air Canada go first, huh?
It takes less time to get moving.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely requiring a shorter runway. And that's the... Oh yeah, I see it. Which plane could that be? Looks like a Embraer.
The Delta?
I think so.
Hey, where's the Lufthansa plane? We taxied back.
No idea. Might be waiting for its gate. There we go, Korean's taking off. Wow. Is it their Dreamliner? Then I don't care. Just kidding. That's a... No. That's an Embraer. No. No, I don't think Alaska's have any 220s.
It's weird that I only have 2 more classes. Unless I choose masters. My friends always say that you should get your masters. I'm joking.
There's a spider on the
Back
top.
just got a PhD.
What triple seven gonna take off or what?
He is waiting for something. I want to park in the corner and stop it.
Oh no, it's moving now.
why I got it confused. 380 is the class I'm taking this semester.
Oh, is it?
E380. Power systems power energy transfer. Alongside EE458, which is analog systems.
Yeah, that 767 is taking off pretty steep. Looks like another go around.
Is that plane going to go around?
No idea. It's always the private jets today.
They're coming a little too quick with my guys, I guess.
Yeah. I was expecting to Cathay Pacific. Oh my goodness, all these wide bodies here.
Yeah, that's enough.
I know, right? With the exception to Lufthansa.
Wait, I'm so confused. Why did they pull up to United if they have to go through customs?
United is also takes taken international too, so they have to. So there's probably a customs desk at the terminal as well.
Yeah, I literally parked at the
but how do
United
they
International
enforce that they
terminal.
need to use the
Customs
customs?
or it's depending on or what.
Yeah, we parked at Terminal 3.
I see.
There's British. You can see the tail.
We'll be going through customs.
That's that little guy over there. Is that Aviaca? KLM taking on.
Yeah, that's right.
He's taking it too.
Yeah.
There's a flag.
Is that like the avian water brand?
They're South American, Central American, I think.
Is that little line in the clouds?
Yeah. Like almost like little like V shape almost, or like a really flat V shape. Yeah.
It's like a bird, but doesn't flap its wings.
Yep.
Pretty much.
Behind that guy is British A380. That's still holding up for a little longer.
Which I hope not.
I think I see it.
I see it too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah.
Like the British or the?
Yeah, the British.
Yeah, both A380s are lining up.
see it there.
Get ready for the big
Oh,
grand
that's the
finale.
A380 and the first one's up there.
Emirates.
Yeah.
Remember?
First thing,
British.
Emirates and then British.
Yeah, British.
Yeah, I see.
Well, that 777 is a coward, saying make way for the behemoths. Let's do it.
You don't want to stick around for that one.
Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread.
How does that make sense? How do you grind bones to make bread?
I don't know, it's just a fairy tale, dude. Right.
Where is Emirates? Doesn't look that big.
It's probably landing on the furthermost runway.
Yeah.
British, however, might be landing on the closer one.
What's that Delta plane?
That's A220.
She's inbound up. Get out.
Yep.
Where's the British coming from?
London Heathrow.
That actually, wait, is that where I'm going?
Yes.
Okay. If it's a 7-hour flight or a 45-minute drive.
Alright.
I'm going back to 505. If it's a 7-hour flight or a 50.
I like how the clouds above him
Huh?
are. I like how the clouds above it are just shifting.
They're also just barely shadowing it too.
Because San Diego never had one. And will never have one. Because they can't fit. Oh, it looks like that one's also landing at the furthest runway.
Where's the Emirates taxi?
Somewhere in the back.
He's gonna shoot around and he's gonna hook around probably. He's gonna shoot out a little bit from back in.
So it's not gonna be coming over here?
No, he'll be coming over here. I think. Or should be.
One way to find out.
Yeah. That is so see one of those things land.
I know, right? Couldn't really hear much of
Oh, there's
reverse
the Airbus, you can see the tail right there.
Yep.
And then we should see the white. Because the tire is up above, like, this whole building's out there.
Back-to-back A380s. Here's
Be
the
careful
other
for the
one.
jet blast from the A380.
I know, right?
Sorry, that was a Taco Bell. Just go there for the beach, just burrito, because I know that that's one near our hotel. And I have been craving beach and cheese burritos. Can't wait to be disappointed by that.
What a finale. Listen to those engines. hopefully going to be on YouTube.
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
How is it going, bro? My name PewDiePie.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah. Real quick, another quick capture of a photo of the A380s. Back to SAS. Back to the A380s again.
There's too much going on, man.
All this iconic airport action. And I, of course, got the two 777s.
One of those
Where are those metal gates there?